Welcome. Let's look at this question number 36 for JAMB Past Questions Biology 2018. Use the diagram below to answer questions 35 and 36. This is question 36. This is the diagram, the transverse section of a fowl egg. Which parts provide food for the developing chick? Is it A, 2 and 3, B, 4 and 5, C, 3 and 4, D, 2 and 5? So which part provides the food? You can see here you have 2, which is the embryo. You have 3, which we can see from here. We have 4 or 4, the albumen. We also have 5, we have 6. So which part provides the food? The albumen, also known as the egg white, provides food, mainly proteins and salts and water. You understand? Whereas the yolk, which is 3, this number 3 is the yolk. So for us to be able to answer this, we need to analyze this and really know what they are. We all know that the food is formed, the young one is formed from the previous question, is formed here, which is where the embryo is. You understand? Which is where the embryo is. Now we have this number 3 here is the yolk. You understand? This 3 here is the yolk. As we know, this 3 is the yolk. Then this 4 is the albumen, which is the egg white. This 4 is the albumen, which is the egg white. You understand? So this albumen, which is 4, and this 3, which is yolk, the 2 of them combine to provide the food, mainly proteins and salts. You understand? They give the developing chick protein and what? Salts, as well as water. And with this, the developing chick can grow effectively. So it's better we understand this in perspective. So these 2 things supplies this embryo at the middle, the 2, enough food for it to develop. So that makes option C the right answer for this, because option C is having 3 and 4, which is the yolk and the albumen. Thank you.